So I'm afraid we have some bad news for you. There aren't going to be any more vlogs for a little while. So we've had a bit of a problem this afternoon. We're in the middle of Spain and I've been making videos all afternoon today. In fact, there's one more coming on tomorrow, which is already uploaded. And we decided to take a break while it was still daylight and have my hair cut, which Marianne did a fabulous job of cutting my hair. The only problem was we passed the inverter charger out of the window, and in doing so managed to spill a drink on my Macbook Air, and some went on the keyboard. Now the good thing was I had a keyboard protector on it, but it looks like the MacBook has died. Now I have another computer. You can see a big old computer here that I have, a Windows based one, but the problem is I use these external hard drives to store all the 3 months of video footage that we have filmed on our tour of Europe, and this is formatted for an Apple computer. So although I have a cable that connects it to the Windows, I can't actually get the footage off it. So I didn't want you guys thinking, oh, Chris and Marianne from Tread the Globe have stopped putting videos out. What are they up to? So we can't make you any more videos for the moment. We are seeing some friends in Bilbao at the end of the week, in a few days time, and we're going to see if we can pop into the Apple shop there, and even if they can just assess it and see what's wrong with it. If not, we may need to try and get hold of a new Apple, whether we do that here or wait till we go back to the UK, I'm not sure. So please bear with us. We want to get you those videos as soon as possible. We've got a bit of a backlog. If not, there'll be 4 or 5 coming out per week in January when we do actually get back to the UK and get them made. So watch this space. We will try and give you an update on YouTube, through Facebook, through Twitter, through Instagram of the situation, and we'll still do all our daily posts and things on the other social media, but just the YouTube videos, guys, I'm really sorry. So fingers crossed we get it fixed or replaced as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again, hopefully really soon.